sa matulog. So cute. Oh. Ang dila niya. Baka lumipad.
Hello guys. So ganito magpatulog ng ng isang kakatil. Masyadong pala to. Ayun.
Day. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Hello everyone. Thank you sa 18. Yeah. Thank you po sa 18 viewers natin dyan. Thank you so much. This is Happy the Cockatail. Oh, hello Roblox family. Thank you for watching. Scratch. Mumu. Hi. Thank you for supporting our cockatail. Happy the cockatail. She loves to scratch her head. Yeah, she's a girl. Her name is Happy. She just wanted to hide in a palm on her daddy's hand. Yeah, thank you so much. Scratch, scratch. Thanks for the like, guys. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. It's already 6:22 in the evening here. Excuse me. In the Philippines. Where are you from, guys? Thanks again for the likes. Come, mommy. Come, mommy. Come, mommy. Come, mommy. There you go. You want to go, Daddy? Daddy? Scratch. Oh, go to Daddy. Say hi. Hello, everyone. Hi. What is that? Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Hi. Hi. Uy. Hmm? Thank you for coming back. How do I pronounce that? Momo? Momo? I'm sorry. You want to scratch your head again? Shirley just wanted to scratch her head. It's her favorite. What happened? Oh, stop it. Stop it. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, she's a cutie pie. Oh wait, it word already. Hold it, Dad. Daddy, go to Daddy. Scratch. Harap mo dito. Do you have a pet too? Oh, me too. I have a cat. Her name is, what's the name of our cat again? I forgot. Her name is Oreo. What's the name of your cat? But now Oreo is there in our room because she's chasing Happy, right? Oh, so cute. Ah, okay. How many? How many cats do you have? Thank you so much for subscribing. Is this your YouTube channel also? I'll get back to you. 2 cats. Male and female? Oh, I see. My cat Oreo, my cat, we named it Oreo because her color it seems like Oreo. It's black and white. Where's Oreo? Where's Oreo? Oh, there in our room. Scratch again. Fine, 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 fine. Oh yeah, male. Any pets? We also have Shih Tzu. We also have a dog. But I need to go now. Okay, thank you so much again for coming. Bye. Take care. God bless you. Bye. Thank you again. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ang likat mo di. I have to end my live now. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Bye.